Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I will explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And really, overall, this 150 mark represented by the red line right there has been a very big thorn in the side of the chart, not in the sense of the price can't even break above it. The problem is the price is having a very, very difficult of just staying up above it, which is a part of accomplishing a true break. A true break actually has two parts. First part's the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to get above a certain level. But then the second part is, well, can the price actually stay above that level? And the whole staying above is where the price time and time again just failed. So again, here got above 150 this morning, but then fell below it. Got up above it, but then now has since slightly fallen down below it. So that 150 mark is, like I said, definitely presenting an annoying issue here. But I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that because more so a near-term level that I'm very curious about going forward is, let me grab a different tool there. There we go. Is this little trend that we have right here in the sense of, this is the first time in a while where the price bounced back upwards. However, on this bounce back upwards, it wasn't able to really get back up to those previous highs, hence the ability here to draw a downtrending trend line. Now, don't get me wrong, no such thing as a guarantee, and just because there's a downtrending trend line here does not mean that there's some sort of deeper pullback that's going to occur. But it's at least worth noting, and from where I sit, and I don't trade this one every day, but I'm always definitely watching it. My big question going forward is this some sort of leading indicator of a bigger pullback that's going to occur? Now, keep in mind, pullback and reversal are two totally different things. I mean, technically speaking, the price could pull back all the way there and still totally be in an overall, uptrend. So, don't get those two words confused. But yeah, I'm very curious now going forward is there a bigger pullback that's going to occur? And if the pullback does occur, does it have a chance to get down here at 144, which could make for a very interesting, trading opportunity. So keep an eye on that. Like I said, downtrending trend line doesn't mean that anything's for sure going to happen, but there's definitely some weakness here that seems to be appearing. So we'll see what happens with it. On the flip side, though, from a breakout type viewpoint, if the price can muster up a good, healthy, high volume break of that trend line, then, $153, not that far off. And it's definitely got a chance of potentially getting up there, sometime this week with a breakout of that trend line there. So there's definitely a couple different ways to look at it. But if I've done my job right here, all of my viewpoints, all of my kind of, questions going forward, all revolve around this trend line here, whether or not it's a sign that the price is getting ready to roll over, or maybe it's some sort of breakout that's to occur. So keep an eye on that trend line, and we'll see how the price continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.